Bro, look at this goofy on phone. What the?
That's what a great laugh. What is this actually from? I feel like this is one of those things that I've heard before. Is this like this is an Android thing? Is this like early 2000s Android, or it's an LG phone sound? Tell you what, they should drop the G. That was a joke about if they dropped the G, then it would just be L. Let's get a drum loop. What is this? FBI, open up! Okay, come on, I'm in the shower. 20th Century Fox. Yeah, if like the drummer fell down a set of stairs. Okay. I gotta take this beginning of the laugh out because it actually sounds like something is perishing. Put chorus on it, that'll help it. Never mind, I hate it. We're gonna go big reverberated sweep into like some chill house music. That's what we're gonna make today. Oh, we need Michael Jackson grunts in here, maybe? No, dude, why do I get distracted so easily?
Bring the beat back.
A little too energetic.
What you gonna do?
A little too energetic.
What you gonna do?
That's too energetic.
I'm a wildfire.
That's kind of cool.
And your dreams are night.
Okay, maybe I can use this as like for layering purposes.
I'm a wild.
Oh, and let's also make it slower.
I'm a wildfire.
There it is. Okay, and then now let's give it like its own side chaining without actually side chaining it. Just make like one of these so it's like, yeah, that's hard. Just repeat that. Maybe the laugh can keep going too. Okay, bring the goofy awe back in here. We're just gonna low pass that Johnson. Gonna low pass that Douglas. Start calling things random dudes' names. All right, what we're gonna do is just apply a fruity parametric EQ to this Thomas right here. A very quaint snare roll here that we will gracefully rise up in between this Richard. Make it sort of blend in nicely with the Patrick. Get a nice chill kick. Just a little click kick, like, not even, that's fine. All right. Hey, that's a great song. Should I do snare? I mean, a snap? What if music just devolved into just... this, but a 2-hour set. I was thinking like 8 hours. I'd go to it. Why not? Actually, no, I wouldn't. I would stay home. I would absolutely stay home. I guess maybe I'm making like tropical house. I don't really know. Cool. This is world building. Okay, but now it's goofy. This is so goofy. So I kind of think this, but like reverberated out. Yeah. We're going ambient. This is going to provide a nice warmth to our drop. A very nice calming presence to our drop. You don't want to high pass it too much because a lot of that warmth exists in the lower frequencies, but you can low pass it a little bit. And be careful if you add any reverb, because since we are focusing on these lower frequencies, adding reverb surely will create a bit of mud. Picture it like some dirt. And if you put some water on the dirt, let's say it rains, it's going to come down and collide with the dirt to create mud. And that is something that we do not want in our mix. You can hear the mud. It's bad. Oh, it's so bad. I'm just gonna turn these back down. Turn this up a bit. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, nice. Okay. Well, this makes sense. If I keep letting this go, it might overlap itself so much that it's going to start like being distorted, clippy balls. Yeah, I can hear it. Oh, I can hear it. The sound is playing once and then stacking on top of each other. It's like a sandwich. And when the sandwich starts getting too high, eventually it's going to fall over. So you have to keep a controlled sandwich in your mix. Not only is it going to fall over, but even if it doesn't fall over, you're not going to be able to fit your mouth around it. And you're not going to be able to take a bite. Oh God, hold on. Why do I have 2 reverbs on here? What am I doing? Another piece of advice is don't take any production advice from someone like myself. Oh, that just hurt my brain. How does that work? If I'm advising you not to take advice from me, what do you do? What do you do in that scenario? I'm advising you to not take advice from me. You're you can't do shit. Your brain is simply going to turn to mush or a big sandwich and it's going to fall over and no one's going to take a bite out of it. Who would want to? Like, what's the deal with stunt food? I don't even remember what I was doing. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Nope. The hi-hats sound too electronic. I want it to be like natural. There, this might work. Okay, that's better. Although, this might be better to introduce this further down the line so we can build some tension. Yeah. Let's put a little bit of reverb on these. Glockenspiel. Yo, chill. I'm gonna pull up the Glockenspiel. All right? We'll fix this. No one let me pull up. You really can't hear the spiel. Chord? Okay, I get it. I get why the Glockenspiel is so timid. Hey, run that shit! We're curating a vibe here, as I like to call it. Okay, it sounds cool, but the drop's not quite hitting as hard as I'd like to, even though it's super chill vibes today. Here's what you do in this scenario. You turn the song down on the build-up, send it on some spatial awareness here. Maybe not that much. That's probably a bit too much. You can't, this is so hard to make sound, not just incredibly silly. It doesn't help at all. Okay. I think I might just throw in the towel on touring, being a touring artist, and traveling so much, and just go get a dog. That sounds amazing, dude. Speaking of touring artists, please buy, if you live in the Chicago area, please buy tickets to my show this Friday. So bad. If you know someone that lives in the Chicago area, please tell them that a really cool, smart, handsome DJ is coming there this week on Friday the 7th, playing at the Bottom Lounge, and he would love it if they bought a ticket to the show. I'm in Chicago, but I have COVID. Okay, I definitely don't come to the show then. Okay, that might be cool. maybe this could be beneficial. Okay, not exactly what I had in mind. All right, how's this? Hey, no! Get out of here. Original sample that I'm supposed to be using in the song. Go home. This, but in like a virtual riot underscore nexus.fxp splice preset type of vibe. How quickly can I do this? Probably not very fast. Hold on. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna take this ARP and do it on F. I forgot how to do things. Automate it fast, soldier. Oh, nice shirt, Nate. Thank you. It's made out of college textbooks.
But he's trying to remain true to the people that pay him $5 a month on Twitch.tv. This is Audio Combat.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm laughing at your name. Not like it's bad. It's just like, you've heard of excision. Now get ready for
Explosion.
Yo, when people come up to you and say what's up and they're like, yo, explosion, are you just like damn, actually kind of a sick loop with the laugh. Jarvis, enhance. I'm sorry. Tony, enhance. You think you're smooth?
Bro, look at this goofy old phone.
Fellas, are we still rocking CBAT memes? Is CBAT stock still up? I thought that shit crashed. I thought it tanked. Either way, well done. This is dope. Bees with chainsaws. Mosquitoes with RPGs. Hey, seagulls with flamethrowers. Crickets with crickets with active grenades. I know we just sold all of our CBAT stock, but I need you to buy that shit back right now. No, buy it back right now. It's on a search. Yes, buy the CBAT. Buy it CBAC. Okay, all right. That is what we call a live performance. Is this incredibly handsome double? This is not what a human body should look. It's not, you know, that's subjective.
Goofy on phone.
Nice switch up. A healthy sounding switch up. Okay, guys, it's not all CBAT cum and farts here. Like this, we do other things.
This goofy on phone.
Oh damn, jeez, God. You know, I've decided in honor. I'm going to unreveal my face. Are you ready? I no longer want my face to be. So just forget you ever saw it, and we'll start fresh.
Bro, look at this goofy on phone.
Is there more to life? Primal Rights, very dope producer. Yo, sick beat tag.
Bro, look at this goofy on phone.
Did you hear it?
That was Poggers.
Bro, look at this goofy on phone.
Oh, whoopty scoopty poop. Scoopty poop. Scoopity poop. Hey, chill out on the memes, man.
The young summer easy breeze like a sweetheart, the heat of dinner. I accustom my heart to silence. It's not that part what has gone away comes here, the head bends and droops the hand. I look at the mane of the mountains, the light of your forehead, every leaf flashes, fairy laugh on your teeth.
Oh. What the Yo, look at this cool picture of Mario, guys. He's in his cart. Check that shit out.
What the fuck?
That's dope. Hey, anything's dubstep if you put your if you make enough,
Rhythm.
yeah. Explosion? Are you okay? Hey, has anyone checked on Explosion?
Bro, look at this goofy on phone.
Man.
I was a goofy off phone user once. I remember like it was yesterday.
Are you okay?
But since then, I've retired from the goofy off industry.
Oh.
This one goes out to all my goofy off friends, goofy off phone users,
Yeah?
and goofy on Nate.
How many curses have you guys put on me through like hexing me through SoundCloud outros? Oh. Look, man. One of us is gonna have to go home and change. God damn, this is awkward.
Bro, look at this goofy on phone.
I don't have time to make a cover art. Writing the percussion. I'm sorry, I actually wasn't able to write. That's just, it's okay, man. I have those days all the time. What are you using, Contact? Love Contact.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Bro's cracked, dude. That was a good meme. Wait, hold up. All right, hold up. I'm gonna slap today's rewind. Have you ever been in a car with someone that has one of those speed cop detector things on their dashboard, and you can just be sitting there and you'll just be having small talk, and then right in the middle of your conversation every 12 seconds, it's literally just K-Band. Been replaying God of War because I think that I take much of a resemblance to that of Kratos, and not only his physical appearance but his demeanor. You know, I think that's a fair assessment to make.
Palms are sweaty, knees weak, mom's spaghetti.